Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you on how to fix your voice when you are screen sharing and you are not audible. So let's say you want to share screen on this one, in this screen or in these applications, but when you do, you are not audible. Then let's proceed to the user settings. And after that, let's go to voice and video. And you want to make sure here in your input and output device is that it is correct, so that when you check here on the let's check button, colors appear here, which means your mic is working and your speaker also. But if that's not working for you, then you should scroll down and head to this diagnostic audio recording, so it will diagnose your audio problem and would fix it for you. But if that doesn't work either, then you should proceed to set voice settings. And after that, it usually solves all your audio problems, and you should be fine when you share screen now on your Discord server.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.